Apecoin has fallen on hard times, but can it make a turnaround? Find out in today's episode, guys. What is up, guys? Welcome back to your daily source of news and all things crypto, and make sure you stay till the end for my Apecoin price prediction. In today's news, we have Apecoin going on a downward trend for the past 24 hours, hitting the lowest point as we speak at 10.83, down 1.23%. For the past 7 days, it's not looking so great either, but here in the 1 month chart we can see the whole story where it started to go downhill on the 28th of March. It's been downhill ever since, and there's no sign of stopping. So what does the news have to say? Was Apecoin just another sophisticated rug pull? Here's what metrics seems to suggest. Apecoin has been on a steady decline ever since its listing on 17th of March. Since then, it never managed to cross its ATH, which is quite a rare case considering the amount of hype that was backing this coin up. Unless, of course, this was just another sophisticated rug pull, but more on that later. It tried to recover slowly but couldn't go too far. It has been in a gradual downward channel since the end of March and seems like it is going to continue in the same way. On-chain metrics also seem to lend weight to the above mentioned idea. This was just a suave way to put a couple of more $1 million into the pockets of already extremely wealthy owners of BAYC. Well, money is sweeter than honey, they say. On-chain volumes for Apecoin have been negligible in the past few weeks. It only saw a spike for a few days post the launch, but since then, volume action has been extremely poor. Funnily enough, the supply held by top addresses as a percentage of the total supply fell from 21% to around 10% on the launch day itself, and has continued to slowly fall further from there too. In line with the above 2 pointers, its daily active addresses have also been gradually dipping downwards, further lending weight to the idea presented at the beginning itself. So here we have fuzzy ethics. This begs the question, was this a carefully executed rug pull in the image of a giveaway? An article by The Verge from 23rd of March explains this perfectly. The token promised to decentralize the web, so why are insiders raping most of the profits? The supposed Apecoin DAO in place has managed to give most of the Apecoins as a gift to the project's earliest backers, who from the looks of it managed to make a quick buck. In this regard, general investors need to stay aware as crypto industry matures more. The nature of compromises and hacks it will face will mature too. So guys, it looks like Apecoin is losing its support, it's losing the fan base, and people are starting to suspect this was just a rug pull. But in my opinion, guys, I still think there's potential for a turnaround here. As we can see, the chart may look red, but it's not as bad as it seems. Sure, it lost a significant chunk of its value, but I think that was to be expected. When you give people free money, they're gonna cash in, but this coin has a lot of stuff backing it. There have been multiple celebrities investing into the BAYC collection, and we've seen many people we've seen the collection spread throughout social media like wildfire, and there is no way that this coin will lose its value even further. I think we are heading for a turnaround, guys, so I would still have hope for Apecoin. There is potential profits to be made here. So that is it for today's news, guys. Come back tomorrow.